So let's get into the social media sales funnel. This is really going to help you understand the buyer's journey. And here are the different phases that a person is going to go through. And think about this too as I'm going through it. Think about how this is the same thing probably that you're going through when you are considering buying something. So first, you're going to be made aware that you have a problem. This is going to be the no. And then you're going to have some type of interest, right? This is going to be the like. Then you're going to have a decision to make. I'm making the decision to possibly buy with you. This is right. You're trusting now. Now you trust them, and then you will convert into a client or a customer, which is then when you go and buy. So notice that, right? Know, like, trust. People must know you, like you, and trust you in order to buy from you. If they do not know you, they do not like you, they do not trust you, they are not going to buy from you. And they do need all three. All right. So I'm going to like go a little bit deeper into this. So within the awareness stage, your ideal client or your customer, they're going to begin to know you from lead generation. So maybe you are reaching out to new accounts on an everyday regular basis and you are engaging with them. So with hopes that they will come back to your profile and check you out. This is also going to be through collaborations. So you can do Instagram takeovers, where you're like, cross-pollinating audiences. You can also do this through hashtag engagement. You can do this through reshares of your posts or your videos. So there's so many different ways to make people aware that you exist.